A&H Consultant welcomes you to this video on Claude AI, your complete guide to Anthropic's revolutionary AI assistant. We will explore its history, key features, business applications, and the future of this powerful tool. This video covers a comprehensive agenda, starting with the origins of Anthropic, moving through Claude's model evolution, its core capabilities, and practical applications in business, HR, and development. So what is Claude? It is a state-of-the-art large language model built by Anthropic, an AI safety research company. It is designed to be a conversational, enterprise-ready, and responsible AI partner for your workflows. Since its founding in 2021, Anthropic has rapidly evolved. From pioneering constitutional AI in 2022 to the public releases of Claude 1 and 2 and the recent introduction of the powerful 3.5 and 3.7 models, Claude remains at the forefront of AI reasoning. Anthropic is based in San Francisco, founded by Dario and Daniela Amodei. Their core mission is to build reliable, interpretable, and safe AI systems, backed by major investors like Google, Amazon, and Salesforce. The Claude model family has seen impressive growth. Newer iterations, like the 3.5 and 4 models, offer faster speeds, expanded context windows, and frontier-level reasoning and coding capabilities for professional use. Claude offers a wide range of powerful features, including natural conversation, document analysis, advanced reasoning, coding support, vision capabilities, and extensive context windows, all while maintaining a safety-first design. Understanding how Claude works helps you maximize its potential. It follows a clear process. It receives a prompt, performs tokenization and contextual analysis, applies multi-step reasoning, generates a structured response, and continues learning across conversation turns. Effective prompt engineering is key. A good prompt provides clear context, a defined role, a specific format, and a clear goal, resulting in much better outputs compared to vague, one-sentence instructions. Whether you need to draft HR policies, generate marketing emails, write Python scripts, or summarize complex legal documents, Claude provides versatile, real-world examples of how it can assist in your daily professional tasks. Businesses leverage Claude for a variety of critical functions, including automating repetitive workflows, creating internal chatbots, managing knowledge bases, enhancing customer support, and providing data-driven decision support. For HR professionals, Claude is a game-changer. It assists in talent acquisition by drafting job descriptions, screening resumes, and preparing interview questions, while also helping with policy compliance and employee engagement initiatives. Claude is impactful across more than 10 diverse industries, from manufacturing and healthcare to finance, legal, and tech. Its massive context window and constant availability make it a reliable partner for global business operations. Claude's primary advantages include its excellent long-form writing, high factual accuracy, advanced reasoning, and enterprise-grade security, making it a robust and dependable choice for demanding professional environments. While powerful, keep in mind some limitations. Internet access, potential for inaccuracies, safety-related refusals, and the need for a subscription for advanced features are factors to consider as you integrate Claude into your work. When we compare Claude to other leading AI models, it consistently stands out for its excellent writing, coding capabilities, and frontier-level reasoning, backed by a significant context window and robust enterprise features. Real-world companies are already seeing impressive results with Claude. From achieving 60% faster onboarding in HR to 3x throughput in software development and 5x content velocity in marketing, the business outcomes are clear and measurable. Looking ahead, the future of Claude is bright. We can expect advancements in autonomous AI agents, deeper enterprise automation, enhanced reasoning for complex problem-solving, advanced coding assistance, and new multimodal interfaces. In summary, remember that Claude is enterprise-focused, provides excellent writing and strong reasoning, and offers a massive context window. It is an industry-wide tool that boosts productivity as a human complement and is built to be future-ready. Thank you for watching this complete guide to Claude AI. We hope you feel empowered to leverage this tool in your work. Please reach out to our team at anhconsultant1@gmail.com.